Hi, today we're exploring Theta AI, which is generated by PreMed.PK. It is basically a tool that helps you understand and prepare better for the MDCAT. It helps you understand your weak areas and gives you personalized suggestions that help you modify your preparation and then score better in the MDCAT. So it is basically your personalized progress tracker and your mentor. So Theta, if you go to the PreMed's dashboard, you will see Theta's weekly suggestions. It will also help you predict your score. It will suggest some decks and what you need to solve based on the progress that you've made so far in the other question decks. So let's go directly to Theta analysis. If you go to Theta analysis, it will give you an overview sort of thing. So it will tell you, okay, these are the subjects which should be your next focus. So for example, for my account, it's enzymes, verb, subject, verb, argument. This is just an example, but it will give you different study focuses based on the progress that you've made over the week so far on the PreMed app, our website. So then you go to the performance distributions metrics. So it also tells you कि थीटा किस तरह से metrics calculate कर रहा होता है और आपको एक subject breakdown भी देता है. Now the thing with my account is that I haven't solved a lot of MCQs, so you won't be able to see that here, but usually on your account you will see that there are some strong areas, some average areas and some weak areas. And then it will also tell you कि अगर आपको कोई weak area है तो उसमें आपकी accuracy क्या है. यानी अगर आपने English के इतने MCQs solve किए हैं तो आपकी उसमें कितने % accuracy है. मेरी biology में यहाँ पे 50% accuracy है. So it will obviously tell me to improve on biology. Now if you go subject wise, it will tell you कि आपने कितने attempt किए हैं और आपकी attention किस चीज़ को चाहिए. And then you can also click on topics and click on analyze. So it will tell you कि these are what needs your attention, and then it will give you personalized quizzes as well. Now it will also give you suggestions from the word. तो for example, अगर आपकी कोई एक specific चीज़ जो है, आपका biology का कोई topic है, let's go to biology. So detailed breakdown. In biology you have enzymes, that is weak performance. Let's click on analyze. So enzymes need, so here you will see कि अगर उसने आपको थीटा यानी आपको बताया कि आपकी एंजाइम्स की प्रेपरेशन वीक है, तो उसने आपको साथ नोट्स और गाइड्स भी दिए हैं कि यहाँ से आप एंजाइम्स और किंगडम एनिमेलिया की तैयारी कर सकते हैं जो आपके वीक एरियाज हैं. सो इट विल नॉट जस्ट टेल यू कि आपके वीक एरियाज क्या है, बट ऑल्सो हेल्प यू इम्प्रूव ऑन दोज. Now if you go back to theta analysis, it will also show you AI generated quiz. Now how you can do that is you click on make me an FRP and it will make you a full length paper based on what your weak areas are. And here you can see that you're now in the quiz builder section and you can build a customized quiz for yourself based on your weak areas. So go to the PreMed dashboard right now and explore Theta AI suggestions to help you